Alright, today's video is here for putting a copy of Windows 10 on a flash drive. So if you ever need to change your hard drive to an SSD, so you need a flash drive device that's at least 8 gigs or higher, and I grabbed one that's 16 for now. And then you can go on the Microsoft website, because we're going to have to download the Microsoft tool in order to do it. Alright, go to download tool now. Now just follow the steps and I'll be back when everything's ready. Alright, I'm back. And you also got to make sure that your flash drive is formatted to your computer, or you're going to have a big problem at the end of this step. As you can see, it's getting things ready. I'll be back when it's ready. And I'm back. Alright, from here you're going to go to create installation media using a USB flash drive, DVD, or iOS file. Alright. If you're trying to move from 32 to 64-bit, you're going to unclick this and then choose, 64, because that's what I had to do for this computer. But since it's already all set and I already moved it to 64, I'm just going to click next. Alright, and I'll be back when it's all set. Alright, now that that's all set, I'm going to show you what you need to do to boot it from your flash drive if you need to change your hard drive to an SSD. Alright. Well, in my case, we're going to restart, but if you're swapping out your hard drive, your computer's going to be off. And then when you're going to boot up, you F2 to get it to go into the BIOS, and then from there I'm going to show you what to do. Alright, now that we're in the BIOS, we go over to boot and see my scan disk. It's right there. You would move that to 1. See where my SATA disk is, where I'm already hooked up? You would move that to 1 and then hit F10 to save it, and it would boot right to the USB drive, and it would start putting the new Windows on your new SSD drive. So thanks for watching, and I hope this was useful. You guys have a good one.